At this point, it's safe to say Sonnie Badu is who he says he is. Tape 2026 was a success. I see the tape 2026 overflow service Sunday was a bomb. Sonnie Badu came with extra anointing when he sang our Nigerian song in his slow song sessions, and it blew my mind. I no go lie. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be sharing with you that full tape here on this channel. What you have to do is hit the like button. If you've not, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment and let me know which other song would you want me to bring to you on this channel. And of course, don't forget to share to your friends and loved ones. Let me allow you worship for a second. Let's go, please.
By Monday morning, 9 a.m., somebody's going to sing this song. You are God, you are not a man. When the door opens, you are God, you are not a man. I'm a father. Oh, yeah, now. When you begin to see it in millions and trillions of dollars, you are God. You are not a man. Oh, God, not be mad. You are God. You are not a man. Oh, I'm a father. Ibu chukonye dike, Ibu Alpha, Omega mo, onye mbuno ni basu, manita no gugu, nakati nasi, Ibu, Idebube, Idebube, Idiomimi, Ibu Alpha, onye mbuno ni basu. Can I have 15 worshipers in the house? Mercy,